Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, coming from sunny and hot South Florida. And today we got one of my favorite vehicles, a Nissan Titan XD. And what did we do? Well, before we get to that, that's my telephone number. I know a lot of people ask me questions online, and it's good to ask me a question. I don't always get to them, so if you want to answer right away and a good answer, you can call the store. You can ask for our general manager, John, who's behind the camera. You can ask for me, Joel, Buddy, anyone else can help you with those questions. That being said, come on over here, John. What do we have? Well, we don't have this accurate. Here we have the Nissan Titan XD here. We got the RetraxPro, the all-metal one, XR, that is the T-slots. We have Rhino racks here for bikes, and inside we have a Bedslide. But before we get inside, let's look at this now. We got two Rhino racks here. These basically open up and you can put a bike right on top here. You do not have to remove your front wheel to put these on. I like that a lot. You can remove the whole racks if you want. You can remove just these if you like. Not too hard. And as you know, the cover will go underneath here. Now let's go into the cover. The cover itself holds 500 pounds evenly distributed, which is quite a bit of weight. Also, this comes with a lifetime warranty. Now, you do need to read the fine print on that lifetime warranty. Some little details on that they might not tell you about. If you look at the XR rail, which is your T-slot, if you notice the T-slot goes all the way to the front of the bed. So why is that good? Well, if you want to put stuff further apart, you can. Also, this one is one of the better ones cover-wise for water. Now, I give the water speech. Some people just turn off the video and don't listen to the water speech. If you're gonna buy the cover, you should know this. These are not waterproof. I am so sorry, this is not a submarine. It's weather resistant, it's water resistant, but it's not watertight, it's not waterproof. And for some reason, even though I say that, I don't know how many hundreds of thousands of times I tell people, it's signs in the store, I tell them in person, but I tell them on the phone, then they, after they get it, I go, I saw some water in there, you told me it was waterproof. I go, I have not told you it's waterproof. They try to use that, the Jedi mind trick on me. It's like, if I tell him he said it, he will say yes. It doesn't work. I saw Star Wars. Okay, so that being said, come on here, let's open this up, and I'll show you what we got in here. Okay, I'm gonna open up the cover. If you look over here, you got a nice little handle here. It does clear, as you can see, it does clear the Rhino racks, no problem whatsoever. Now, you do wanna lock into place. You don't wanna be driving around, things sliding up and down. Now, he's got the Rhino racks, he's got the Retrax, and we got the Bedslide CL1000. The 1000 refers to the weight. He also has got the, now as you can see, he's already started using the Bedslide accessories, which is your little toolbox. You got a little one here in the bottom, got a little taller one in the front. If you look here, it does go underneath your canister here, which is really nice. Now this one here, I usually put in the front. I noticed he put it in the side, so I'm not gonna move it. That's where he likes it. Now what's nice about this, you pull the little lever, it just slides on out here. So all your stuff you get in here, you can access it really easy. Look how easy it is for me to get my tools right here. No problem whatsoever. Everything's right where I need to get it. Now if you notice, I moved this bar up here, because that's where the we basically lined it up to the canister. The canister, this will go underneath the canister, this part doesn't, but the reason I put the bar like that, if you got some tall items on here, if you put them up here, you can secure them to this, and you don't have to worry about when you slide it back in, if it's gonna hit the canister. That will protect that from happening. It's really a great design. I mean, 1,000 pounds is a lot. Now, they do make them 1,200, 1,500, 2,000, 2,500, and they have what you call full extensions. This is a 70-30. That means 70% of this comes out, the other 30% is in here. Now, for me, I find that just fine. I have the exact same model in my truck because I can get to everything, no problem whatsoever. Now, if you go with the full extension, it will come out a little further, but it does bring the height a little bit, so you lose a little space in the bed. That's one of the reasons I did not go with that. I find this setup perfect. Now, if you look inside the bed, you can see all the hardware in here. And I tell you what, the XRs, you got the extra supports here, which keeps it nice and even, so these are all nice and level. And if you look here, you can see the drainage system in the back here. So I do notice one of the tubes popped out, so we're gonna go put that back in for the customer. And again, you slide it in here. See how nice and easy that is? No problem whatsoever. Again, you pull the little lever here. Okay, Now, one thing you need to know, sometimes when you pull these levers, you have to tilt them a little bit. If you pull straight, it might hit the bottom, but if you tilt it a little bit, it clears just fine whatsoever. I know the guest was asking me, he goes, I could feel the catch. I'm like, yeah, you just have to tilt it a little bit, and that solves that problem. Again, this is a wonderful setup. We can do the installation for you, or if you don't live here in Florida, we'll send it to you. And I guess when you're doing it, we can easily tell you how to do everything, no problem whatsoever. So again, now this does have a seal around here. This is really nice in case you live in a state with snow. You don't want to worry about the lock getting frozen. Again, great setup here, very user friendly. Now you do have, you're a little tight here with coming in here if you noticed before, but it's not too bad. And again, you can take these off if you want to, but I leave mine on all the time. Again, I'm Chris with C&H doing a review of 3 things. Technically 4 things. We got the Rhino racks, the Rhino racks for the bicycle, the RetraxPro XR, the Bedslide 1000 CL with the Bedslide boxes, which is those little storage bins there. And again, before I forget, like and subscribe. Thanks.